Pause. Hey foodies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm super excited to share with you a recipe that's so delicious, you'll be reaching for extra rice. Bihari Style Egg Curry. Pause. Let's dive right in. Pause. First up, let's take a look at our ingredients. We'll need 4 to 6 boiled eggs, 2 finely chopped onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, mustard oil, yes, this is where the magic happens, garlic paste and green chilies, and for the spices, turmeric, red chili, coriander, garam masala, and a special Bihari twist, roasted cumin and mustard seed, tadka. Pause. This isn't your regular egg curry, folks. This is the kind that steals the show and your rice too. Pause. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by heating up some mustard oil until it's smoking hot. Add in the onions and saute them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Now toss in the garlic paste and green chilies. Pause. The aroma is going to have your neighbors knocking, asking, "What's cooking?" Next, add in the tomatoes and all those wonderful spices. Cook this until the oil separates. Now, here's a pro tip. Make slits in your boiled eggs and lightly fry them. This gives them a crispy edge. Now, pour in some milk. Let it sit. Just like that. But not really. Let it sit. The taste. The flavors are so authentic. It's a little piece of beef on. And I'm not kidding. This curry will make your rice disappear. Here's a friendly rule. You might need more than 2 plates of rice at this point. And stay tuned, because in the next video, we're making litti chokha. Can your taste buds handle the ultimate test of Bihari flavors? Or see you next time.